In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit buying power from Robinhood to your bank. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then you can click on this buying power section to see your available buying power. Now to withdraw this or deposit this buying power to your bank account, you need to click on this profile icon from the bottom of your screen. After that, click on this three-line menu and from this menu, click on this transfers option. After that, on the screen, you will be able to see the cash that you can withdraw or your buying power in this section. You just have to click on this transfer button to withdraw it. Then you just have to click on this from section and you just have to select your Robinhood account that currently have your buying power. In my case, the buying power is in my brokerage account, so I will just click on my brokerage account. Then you have to select your to section or your to account. So just click on it and then select your bank account where you want to deposit this buying power. Then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on this transfer button, and your withdraw request will be submitted and you will receive your buying power or money in your 5 business days. So I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.